You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, it is confirmed. Vybz Kartel and Squash are going to do one tune together. And me have a preview for you. Say uno just stick around. See it ya.
6 boss. Real boss. Everything I go alright, man. 6.
Yo, people, and that alone we get. You see me? Vybz Kartel took it to his Instagram and post that, you see me? And then people, me not telling you no lie. See it there, Squash post it on him Instagram too. How that no Vybz Kartel? Me are telling you people, that song you look like say it is going to be a hit song. You can imagine the 6, you see me, and Gaza a link. I mean, yeah, over the past couple of weeks, we see them a share Instagram posts and likes, stuff like that. You see me? Squash for big him up in our song where him drop in 2 days ago or something like so. And we are say, yeah, it's a good look. But if you see both artists on one track, people tell me if that's not a good look. It's a good look for the 6 them. It's a good look for Vybz Kartel. And it's a good look for dancehall in general. People, I want to check out back the song again.
6 boss. Real boss. Everything I go alright, man. 6.
Yeah, man. I eat that. So, the 6 them and teacher, a link. Everybody good. You see me? Me don't really know what I'm going with the Ragging King. Something there over the side there and the rebel them. You see me? So me get the information. As some me I go no even though me not give no information on that yet. But 2 minutes too clear, and you know say Chaddy Murray TV is not a channel for spread rumors, for spread allegations and all these things. And that's why when we see this happen and we know say this are facts, we forward out and we show it to the people them. And people, want to tell me, want to feel like, but want to think I will go on with that song. You feel say that song is going to be a hit, or you feel say that song is just going to be another Vybz Kartel song? You see me? Is it just going to be another Squash song? Me no know. Uno tell me what uno think in the comment section. But for me, the little preview what me get, that's enough for me. You see me? And for say Vybz Kartel post and say 6 boss. And then he put that X there. And then world boss. You see me? It look good. It's a song. You see me? I can't wait to hear the full song. I can't wait to hear the Vybz Kartel part in the song. Anyway, still, at that info you me have for you, but just an update on quick video. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, me have a Facebook page again, and it's still Chaddy Murray TV. Anyway, you can find me on Chaddy Murray TV. Now just type in Chaddy Murray TV. And you see the pre. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.
6 boss. Real boss. Everything I go alright, man. 6.